Good evening, all of you. I am Divya Kumari from BSc IT Batch 1. First of all, I would like to thank Sanjay sir for giving me this golden opportunity to explain you all about the topic thrashing. So, what is thrashing? Basically, it occurs in computer due to increasing the degree of multiprogramming after a certain point. As you can see in the diagram, with initially when the degree of multiprogramming is increasing, the CPU utilization or the throughput of the system is also increasing. So we can say that the system resources is being utilized perfectly. But after this point, which is lambda, which is called thrashing point, when the further increase in degree of multiprogramming occurs, then the throughput of the system is drastically decreasing. So what is this? Let's explain this with the help of example. Like initially we have free frames 400 and the processes are 100. So each process will get 4 frames. And then we are increasing the degree of multi-programming, means that initially the processes are 100. Now we have 400 processes. So all the processes are getting 1 frame. So obviously the page fault will increase. So what is the causes of thrashing is that basically the degree of multiprogramming and a lack of frames in PAS, physical address space. So now we will deal with the recovery of thrashing, so that how we can recover it, the system from thrashing. So we are saying that with the increase in degree of multiprogramming, we are getting this problem. So we can instruct our LTS, which is responsible for bringing the new processes to the running state, that it should not bring the new processes after the point lambda, that is after the thrashing point. It will not bring the any new process further. And second recovery method is that if we are dealing with the thrashing problem, then the midterm scheduler can suspend some of the processes so that only specific processes will get executed, and this problem can be recovered. So that's all from my side. Thank you.